how to fix Helldivers to error 35. So if you are facing this problem of Helldivers to error, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. After opening your browser, you need to go with your search and search for the server status. Go with the first downdetector.com, and if it says that users report show no current problems with Helldivers 2, then everything's good. But if you have some kind of problem, then you just need simply go with report a problem, and you can report the problem to down detector. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is to fix your internet connection. Restart your router, which is very important. Or you can also switch network. If you're using your Wi-Fi, you can go with your mobile hotspot or test it. Or you can also use your LAN cable. Avoid unstable connections. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and then open up your Steam. Make sure that you've signed into your account. After logging into your Steam, you just need to simply go with the top left, which has that library option. Once you're in your library, you need to right click on the game and then go with properties. And under properties, you'll have the install files option. And from the install files, we need to go with verify integrity of game files. And once you click on it, your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.